Hey friends, it's Steph. So we have a little bit of a different view today. This is the outside of the studio. This used to be a garage door. It was brown, it matched the trim up there. This is yellow, and let me see if I can see. You see over there, my house is blue. So this will be painted next summer. That's on our list of things to do. So let's go inside. I mean, it is still a mess, but we have drywall up. We are going around doing the baseboards now because we did the length of the drywall to start with. And so then if you notice right over there, there's just a little bit down there on the bottom, but my son is working on that. So my son-in-law and two of my older daughters came, and my son-in-law built this wall and put the doors in and everything. They were here 4th of July weekend, and it literally took the whole weekend to do it, but it is amazing and I love it. So that's where we're at. That is my air conditioner. It's called a mini split. It's air conditioning and heat. I'm not sure if we're gonna just stick with that for heat because it is electric and it's very expensive. So we'll see how that works out. This winter we may end up putting a pellet stove in here. You can see the ceiling is not done yet. We have to drywall that. My other son-in-law will be home on Tuesday, tomorrow evening, and he and my son and daughter are going to be working on that. That will be a pretty big job, but that's the last of the drywall. Once that is finished, we'll be painting. I'm gonna do two walls, a lovely shade of blue. The other two walls will be white just to keep it a little bright in here. T-shirt stuff is gonna be back there. My sewing space is going to be over there with shelves. This will be shelving, storage, and a desk underneath the mini split. This will be a little seating area because y'all know my kids and my husband are always with me. They cannot stand to be away from me, so that will be for them. My classroom will be right over here in this corner with, again, shelving up there, and I'm going to put my building bricks down on those shelves. My Snoopy stuff will probably be on shelves above my desk with a bulletin board and all that stuff there. Over here, I'm going to have like a little coffee, a little refrigerator. I'm going to have a water dispenser there because I don't have plumbing out here. And y'all, that would just cost too much money to do that. So, and honestly, my house is just, I mean, it's just across the way right there. That's my side door. We are going to replace this door eventually with a door with a window just to have more natural lighting in here. Now we will have a lot of LED lights. There's our lights right there. The electrician will come and finish that once we get the drywall up. So you can see why I have not been creating anything. I've been creating this room. It is a lot of hard work, you guys. I am exhausted every day, but we're determined to get it done. I go back to work on the 27th. The grandbaby is not here this week, so we're hoping to get a lot of things done this week. I am going to have to make a trip to town to get paint. And things that I'm going to take a trip to Hobby Lobby and see what I can find decor-wise, you know, to hang on the wall and stuff. I know I want to make a sign that says create, because y'all know that is what brings me happiness. I feel like the Lord truly blessed me with a creative spirit. And so I want to make sure that I value that and that I just, you know, make sure that I'm so grateful and thankful for the blessings that I do have. I'm sure my husband is just ridiculous with this. This was his idea to do this, and I know he's second guessing himself now. But y'all know my studio right now is downstairs in our basement, and it's harder and harder for my husband to get down there. Y'all know he does have an incurable disease, and it is very debilitating neurological disease, and eventually he won't be able to go downstairs at all. And so right now it's not very safe for him to go up and downstairs. So this will be nice. He can just walk out here and spend time with me out here. So this is what I've been working on. I have not worked on the pet store or anything, you guys. I even have bear orders I need to be making that I have not done, but I'm gonna work on those hopefully this weekend. I have Temu orders, you guys. You cannot believe this, but I live in the state of New Mexico. My Temu orders came to the state, to our main hub, and then were shipped to Wisconsin. I don't know, you guys. So I'm still waiting on those. They have not updated my shipping or anything. It just says on its way to final destination. So I'm a little annoyed with Temu right now, but I know the stuff will get here, and I do have a few things that I've saved that were like the free gifts and stuff. So I think I will be able to do a Temu haul on Wednesday, just because I miss you guys. I just miss making videos. I love doing it, but here's where we are. I messed up that piece of drywall, so I just took that down a few minutes ago, so I've got to recut and put another one there under the window. We are just gonna frame out that window. That's the window that was in here, and I'm just gonna live with that window for right now. It needs to be cleaned, but I mean, y'all, this was a garage, so it's of course dirty. So I'll get that cleaned up. I also need to get a screen for that window, so that, you know, because some days it's really beautiful here and I can open the window and enjoy a little fresh air. But so tell me, you guys, what you think. I love it so much, and I think it's going to be so much fun to create in here, and I'm gonna love having my classroom in here. It'll be a little quieter than right in the middle of my house by the front door, because, you know, it's a lot of traffic in there throughout the day. One of my daughters, well, Mary Catherine, she works, you guys know, but she comes and goes throughout the day. Juliana has a million things going, and so she comes and goes throughout the day. She won't be in school this year because she's just taking college classes. She's finished all of her high school credits, so she just has college classes to take. So I'm sure she'll spend time out here. That little seating space is going to be nice. I'm going to order the furniture and the shelving and everything from IKEA. I haven't decided yet. I read somewhere that if you ship a lot, that the shipping is less. So I'm going to check into that, but if it's not, we'll just go and pick it up. I can either go to Denver, Colorado, or to Amarillo, Texas, to IKEA to get my stuff. So we'll see which space we decide to go to. I hate driving to Denver, but it is a straight shot, and IKEA is right on the edge of town. So I may just head up there one day to get all of that stuff. And then, of course, everything has to be built. So what may happen is I may only have my classroom stuff out here at first, while I'm building shelving on the weekends or in the evening time. We are going to have to paint the floor, because if you see right here along this seam, it has a little bit of a bow in it, and we don't want to try to put tiling or any flooring down that will get messed up. So we are going to paint the floor, stain it, and then I'll get some rugs in here. So you guys, I'm just super excited. I hope you guys will follow along in this journey, and I can't wait to show you the finished product. I'm super excited. I hope to see you guys on Wednesday with a Temu haul, and I will let you all know. So I miss you guys. Please like and subscribe if you want to come along on my miniature journey and my big room journey. Although, y'all, I much prefer building miniature than full size. Trust me, I am not a carpenter. I am not good at it. I just kind of go with the flow. I watch a lot of videos to get things done. So I cannot thank my kids enough. Y'all, they dropped everything and came and helped us do this, and I'm just so grateful to them. They frustrate me like you can't believe, but when it comes to it, they really step up and help their mom out. So I'm very appreciative of them. So thanks, guys, for joining me. I'm so sorry I've been MIA, but you can see why now. If you enjoy this content, please like, subscribe. If you feel compelled, please hype the video, share the video. I will see you soon, friends. Thank you all so much for all your support. I appreciate you so very much. Bye, guys.